The steps below are involved in the testing of a leaf for starch. Study them carefully and answer questions 21 and 22. The correct order for the test is D. In testing a leaf for starch, the first thing you do is to boil the leaf. You boil the leaf in water for about a minute to kill the cells of the leaf, to burst the starch grains. And then you place it in ethanol to decolorize the leaf, to remove the chlorophyll. And then you put in warm water to soften the leaf before you place it on a white tile, and then you drop iodine solutions on it. So that's the correct order. So D is the correct answer here. You place the leaf in boiling water, you decolorize, you dip the decolorized leaf in warm water, and then you add iodine solution. The best time to pluck the leaf for the experiment is after being exposed to sunlight. The other options, you might not have the leaf exposed to sunlight in the other options. So the correct option here is A. In which of the plant tissue are gas cells located? Gas cells are located in the epidermis. This is the lower epidermis, and these are gas cells. Remember, gas cells open and close the stomata or the stomata. The association between the two organisms, in which one of the organisms gains and the other loses, is referred to as parasitism. In parasitism, the parasite gains and the host loses. In mutualism, both organisms benefit. In commensalism, one gains and the other neither loses or gains. Saprophytism, an organism feeds on dead organic matter. So for this question, the correct option is D. The function of the villi in the alimentary canal is to increase the surface area for absorption. There is this finger-like projections on the surface of the inner lining of the ileum, the third part of the small intestine. It increases the surface area for absorption of nutrients. It's called villi. Which of the following structures is not an organ of the digestive system? The kidney is not an organ of the digestive system. It is rather an organ of the excretory system or the urinary system. The diagram below shows the effect of nitrate on water bodies. Study it carefully and answer questions 27 to 29. The source of this nitrate in the part labeled I is fertilizers. When you apply fertilizers to your crops, sometimes they are washed into water bodies by rain or flooding, and that could lead to overgrowth of the algae in the water body, algal bloom. So fertilizers contain nitrates. The phenomenon in the diagram is termed eutrophication. Eutrophication. If the nitrate is washed into the water body, of course, it is nutrient for the plants. So the plants will overgrow. There will be algal bloom, and then they will cover the surface of the water. The plants that are submerged, that are inside the water body, might not be getting light, and they will start dying. And then there will be increase in the population of bacteria to decay the dead plants, and the bacteria will use up the oxygen in the water. This is called eutrophication. It is called eutrophication, enrichment of water bodies with nutrients. Another cause that could lead to the phenomenon in the diagram is dumping of sewage. If it is not nitrate from fertilizers, it could be sewage. And of course, liquid waste from our houses, from the factories, can be released into water bodies, and the plants will take up the nutrients in this sewage and overgrow, leading to eutrophication. On ecology, a community refers to groups of different organisms living in a habitat. Different organisms living in a habitat, different populations living in a habitat make up a community. Thank you. Please remember to click on the subscription button on this channel. Subscribe for more videos.